Welcome to the personal property tour for 42 Main Street in Milton of Balgonie. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-reception, end-of-terrace detached cottage. Lots of nice features. You've got off-street parking with your private driveway and you've got a beautiful country garden as well. This is a beautiful home, really quirky inside. I'm just going to flip the camera. And as you can see, this is a property here. So it starts here, comes along to here. Where that gate entrance is where your driveway is for your off-street parking as well. I'm really excited to show you this one. Really unique. So instantly we come in, you come into the entrance hallway. You can see it's quite spacious when you come in. Nice cupboard and storage area here too, so it's great for if you've been out in the nice countryside walks, offload your boots, etc. Really nice space. And then we're going to head in, which takes you into the lounge, but we're going to go straight into the bedrooms from here. So this is your inner hallway. Again, you've got all this lovely flooring as well. Really nice feature with the window here that takes you out to the second reception room. You can see it from that window. Nice and deep, thick windows. Lovely features. We head into bedroom number 1, which I just think is stunning. I love that wall. You've got the fireplace potential there as well. But really nice sized room. Big freestanding furniture and it's still a big room. Love the window seat here. Isn't that fantastic? Really nice space. You've got inbuilt here as well. It really is a lovely sized room. But I love this stonework, isn't it stunning? And the windowsill. The windows are so thick, but what a great place to just sit in. Maybe read a book while away the day. But that wall is beautiful, isn't it? You've got nice ceiling rows there as well. And then from here, we're going to go into the hallway and head into bedroom number 2. So it's a good sized double, again, freestanding furnishing, so plenty of space in here. You've got this lovely window seat here as well. Nice sized room. Again, really thick walls. It's a warm house. It's a lovely space. Great sized room. And then from there, we'll go back out into the hallway and go into the family bathroom. And I love the bathroom. As soon as you come in, you see straight away. So I love the glass wall for the shower. The flooring, everything's kind of symmetrical. You've got your WC, you've got your freestanding claw bath, and you've got your sink. But it's a really big room. You've got 2 windows in here too, so it's lovely and bright and spacious feeling. And you can see straight away just how nice that is. It's a great sized room. And that is the bathroom. So we come back into the hallway and then we take it into the first of the reception rooms. So this is your lounge sitting area. But again, you've got all the space here potentially where you could put a dining table if needed. But actually you've got a second reception room, so you may not need to do that. But you could maybe put a home office area there. Again, you've got this lovely big window, the window seats, which I think is quite special. Nice chill out space, but I love that wall. So you've got this lovely, really spacious room. Quite high ceilings, you've got this great stonework here. You've got your log burner too, so really cosy in the winter months. You've come in from a nice countryside walk. You've got storage here as well, which is lovely. But you can just see how large this room is, and you can see why you could have a desk area up there. Maybe a sitting area if you wished. Maybe a quiet chaise lounge area, home office area. And then we go into the summer room, which I just think is beautiful. So such a great space. Look at that. Really high ceilings as well. This is where the family do their entertaining. Again, big freestanding furnishings, but still plenty of room. Really spacious. I love all the flooring. I love all that glass as well, just showing you your garden. You almost feel like outside's coming inside. It's a great space. And it leads off into the kitchen. So you've got a country style kitchen with the property. So again, you come into the kitchen, you can see plenty of room for your white goods. You've got your Belfast sink here as well. Again, double windows, so it's lovely and bright. Really nice kitchen area. But it's just fantastic that it leads on to that summer room as well. So while you're doing all your entertaining, you're definitely feeling part of what's going on in the home while you're here. So a lovely space. And leading out into here, isn't that just wonderful? And from here, we're going to head out into the garden. It's a beautiful, quiet place. Look at that. Really nice sized garden. So instantly you come out, you can see you've got this lovely patio area to sit in. If I come over here, you get a good view of it. You've got a seating arrangement here as well, but you've got this nice sized patio. got, again, having your morning coffee here. If we walk along the patio, it'll take us to the end of the property, in so much as you can see where that gate was at the front for your driveway. So you've got all this space down here, so you can easily get 2 or 3 vehicles down there. Again, you've got this lovely stonework at the back as well. And if I just show you the garden from this angle, you can see all the colours. It's so peaceful, totally enclosed, not overlooked. You've got a great summer house down there as well. So you've got all of this nice seating area here. You've got apple trees in the garden too. So come down here, you've got this absolutely dined out this garden as far as making it nice for the summer months and capturing all that lovely sunshine. Isn't it nice? That's your upper patio that you saw earlier. Then from here we head on down to where the summer house is. And you've got this great summer house, and again, great social space that the family use. It's got nice seating arrangements in here as well. It's a really nice space. You've got a lounge area here, you've got a shed just round the corner there, you've got another shed there for storage. Isn't that lovely? If we head over, I'll take you down to the bottom of the garden, just past some of the apple trees, as you can see. You've got this shed and storage space. Isn't that lovely? It's just fantastic. So peaceful. And then you can see and enjoy the garden from this angle too. It's just so nice in the sunroom. But these sheds are large as well, so lots of storage. So just to recap, this is 42 Main Street, Milton of Balgonie. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-reception, end-terraced cottage. You've got so many lovely features. You've got the stone walls, you've got the log fire, you've got this beautiful garden, you've got the summer house outside, you've got that second reception room that leads into the garden as well. This is in a great location. You're literally 3 miles, you're at Glenrothes. You've got the high street, the retail parks, the restaurants, everything that Glenrothes has to offer. You're literally 10 minutes, you're at Leven. You've got the promenade, the high streets, restaurants, bars, you've got the beach, you've got the swimming pool, the leisure centre and the golf courses. So some lovely things going on there. You're in a great location as well for cycle paths, walk paths. So much going on here. It's really lovely, peaceful, quiet village life. This is a great one. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000, and it's Perry at 5 Property 3. Take care. Bye bye.